Yes, good morning. Today is 24th of July, first trading day of the week. We are heading towards the end of the month, guys. We had an amazing trade, guys, this morning. Gold long. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. That was a pretty straightforward. If you look at the 4-hour chart, as explained to my trader this morning, this is the previous high, was previously broken, and the previously price respected one more time. So we're expecting possibility if the price gonna develop another double bottom, then possibility of breakout, and then afterward, as explained, my trader just keep taking a long trade here. So if you look at the gold overall in 4-hour structure, and if you look at here, we have also impulsive move from downside. So technically what we're expecting here is another correction and then possibility of another short at this level. We'll see how that's gonna go, but now we bank amazing profit, counter long trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here this morning, as explained in detail price action, the price developed this breakout, which is false breakout. That's the good sign. And after this impulsive, you can see here the price developed correction. As explained, look for pullback long hand, and after that keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, based on this analysis, price nicely broken. If you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, beautiful breakout. If you have another pullback, as soon as the price hit to the first target, that's what explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.